Hi on YouTube family, man. Ant-Man here, back with another video, and I'm actually I'm looking down on my phone right now because I wanted to give you guys some actual facts and statistics in 2018, very accurate stuff. Okay, about video marketing and how powerful it is, and why you need to incorporate this into your business. If you have not done so, you really missing out. To be honest with you, if you are, kudos to you, congratulations. You are, doing what you should do to help you grow your business, whether it's an online business, an affiliate, a Shopify store, a physical product. No matter if you have a brick and mortar business, no matter what it is that you're doing, if you're offering products and services, okay, or you're branding yourself, okay, you are your business, then you need to definitely have some video, if you have not been doing that or incorporating that into your daily, things that you do for your business every day. So I was on a site, and I want to give a shout out to WordStream, online advertising made easy. Again, it's WordStream, online advertising made easy. The link is going to be in the description, or I guess their website. I was looking around for some accurate statistics on video marketing, and I found that their site was very helpful and useful, and I felt that I needed to make a video based off of what I saw on WordStream. Of course, I'm not sponsored by anybody or anything like that, but I definitely did want to give a shout out to them, okay, because this is where I'm getting my information from, and their information is very, very accurate. So I took some screenshots, and I wanted to basically read them off, okay. So then maybe you can, make the decision on if you want to incorporate videos, into building your business. So the first thing it says, it says video marketing volume statistics, okay. 82% of Twitter users watch video content on Twitter. 82%. YouTube has over 1 billion users, almost 1/3 of total internet users. And I actually saw another statistic about YouTube. Over 5 billion, 5 billion people, 5 billion people, okay, are on YouTube looking at videos every single day. And guess what? On Facebook, over 8 billion people are also watching videos every single day. You cannot tell me that video is not powerful when it comes to marketing, okay? 45% of people watch more than an hour of Facebook and YouTube videos a week. So if you're not incorporating, if you're not on Facebook, you're not on YouTube, okay, basically 45% of your customers or your clients and whatnot, you're missing out on that because you're nowhere to be found, right? More than 500 million hours of videos are watched on YouTube each day. More video content is uploaded in 30 days. Pay attention to what I'm about to say. More video content is uploaded in 30 days than the major United States television networks have created in 30 years. Okay. More video content is uploaded in 30 days, a month, 1 month, okay, than the major United States television networks have created in 30 years. You cannot tell me, you can't tell me that that's not crazy. Like, that is crazy. Like, wow. Like, 87% of online marketers use video content. I'm sure everybody knows that. Okay. 72 hours of video are uploaded on YouTube every 60 seconds. What? So basically, every 3 days of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. I can't even fathom. I can't even collect all of that in my head right now. That's amazing. 1/3 of online activity is spent watching video. Period. 1/3. All right. This also says Saudi Arabia is the country with the highest daily online video access, with 98% of online video penetration among the population. Wow. Okay. 85% of the United States internet audience watches video online. 85%. We're not talking about, in New York. We're not talking about Cali. All right, not talking about Phoenix, Arizona. Okay, 85% of the United States internet audience, okay, watches video online. Wow, 85%, guys. Okay, every second, a million minutes, 17,000 hours, okay, of video content will cross global IP networks by 2021, according to Cisco. All right, via Forbes. The 25-34 millennial age, okay, the 25 to 34 millennial age group watches the most online videos, and men spend 40% more time watching videos on the internet than women. Wow, that's shocking. That's really shocking, actually. Over 500 million, half a billion people are watching video on Facebook every day. Okay. The next statistics, it says mobile video marketing statistics. Okay, mobile video marketing statistics. All right. Over half of video content is viewed on mobile. Okay, your cell phone. 92% of mobile video viewers share videos with others. 90% of Twitter video views happen on a mobile device. Okay. Periscope users have created more than 200 million broadcasts to date. 10 million videos are watched on Snapchat per day. Okay. Last but not least, we have, let me see here. Okay. Video marketing engagement statistics. Okay, this is really important. Really important. 51% of marketing professionals worldwide name video as the type of content with the best return on investment. Worldwide marketing professionals, okay? Marketing professionals, okay? Basically, they're saying worldwide, 51% of marketing professionals, okay, utilize video as their return on. They basically, okay. Let me slow down because I'm really excited right now. I apologize. Okay, 51% of online marketers understand and they know, as in their own marketing campaigns that they create. Okay, they get their return on investment quicker through video. That's the best way to get their return on investment is utilizing video marketing. Okay, make sense? Now, marketers who use video grow revenue 49% faster than non-video users. So if your business is on a standstill, you're probably not doing video. Just saying, okay? 64% of consumers make a purchase after watching branded social videos. This is 100% true. 100% true. That's basically what online marketing is, okay? 59% of executives agree that if both text and video are available on the same topic, they are more likely to choose video. That makes sense. You know, you look at insurance, real estate, you know, stuff like that. Social video generates 1,200% more shares than text and images combined. Wow. Okay. Okay, I didn't know that. Views on branded video content have increased 258% on Facebook and 99% on YouTube as of June 2017. Okay, now this is new. You can now use GIFs, okay, GIFs on Facebook ads. GIFs in Facebook ads. We tried it ourselves, and on the first day, the ad below outperformed any other live Facebook ad we've ever ran. So basically what they're saying is, you know, the GIFs that's on Facebook when you're talking with your friends, you know, say like in Messenger or something like that, and you can use a GIF to explain, you know, you running down the street, or you upset, or you're happy, and you know, all of that stuff instead of text, okay? I guess WordStream has utilized GIFs, I guess, for, you know, as an ad campaign, and they said that GIF itself has performed more than an actual Facebook ad campaign. So, guys, that's it. You know, that's it. right then and there, that's more than enough. That's more than enough. You don't need to. I'm not here to convince you about video marketing, but I am here to at least let you know, like, if you are not utilizing video, you're really missing out. And if you think that you don't need video, you're still missing out, because this is the thing. Okay, what I learned is that, with video animation, okay, over 40%, okay, of businesses, actual brick and mortar businesses, and also online businesses in any niche that there has ever been created, over 40% of businesses succeed with animation. Okay, period. Video marketing in itself, okay, has been growing businesses for decades. Okay, and right now, video marketing is at an all-time high right now, and it is the best thing that you need to incorporate into your marketing. Okay, so guys, if you're not utilizing video marketing, okay, then you are missing out. Clearly, you saw the statistics, and this is 2018, 2017. This isn't like, something, way back in 2004, where video marketing really wasn't, all of that, I guess, the craze and whatnot. But guys, I want to thank you for taking the time to watching this video. Please, guys, support my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so you'll be notified of any videos that I post, either now or within the future. Please like and comment below on what you think. Tell me what you think about video. Do you think it's important for you yourself? Okay, not looking at it as a whole and what I explained, but you yourself in your online business or your physical brick and mortar business. Okay, whether you're utilizing Shopify or whatever it is that you're doing. Okay, do you think that is important to utilize video? Okay, in any context. Okay, any type of video. Do you think that it's important? For you to use video marketing in your business? Comment below. Take care, guys, and God bless you.